Hello, I'm Rebecca. I have been an instasmile customer now for 4 or 5 years. I forget which. So instasmile was introduced to me, probably about 8 years ago when I met Simon, who is one of the co-founders of instasmile, and he was telling me about this revolutionary Clip On Veneer that he had created alongside somebody else. And I heard about it and I thought, well, I said to him actually, I was like, is it not going to be really bulky? And he went, no, that's not the point of it. It's supposed to be like veneers, but they are, obviously you get no damage and you just clip them on and it is what it is. And I was like, oh, okay. So my job is to work in television and on camera. And when I started that job, I didn't quite realise how many people would have an opinion on the way that you look. And so one of the comments that I got quite a lot was about my teeth and how people didn't have much appreciation for them. It really did kind of dent my confidence. So I did look into veneers. However, I have quite a severe phobia of the dentist because I had a retainer brace, if you're English, when I was a kid, and it was on for 2 years, and I had it taken off early because it was so painful and hated it. In the process as well, they actually tried to take out 4 teeth from here, and the anaesthetic didn't work, so they had to stop the procedure and then put me to sleep to do it. So it was quite a traumatic time. So now you can't get me to a dentist. It's a nightmare. I actually have anxiety thinking about it. So veneers, I wanted them, but I couldn't get over the barrier of what they actually do to you to get that veneered look. So Simon actually got in contact with me randomly one day and said, well, why don't you try instasmile? So I did. And I've never looked back. In fact, it really has changed my life. Because now I smile, like big smile. So cheese. I didn't actually realise how much I needed it until I actually had it. This is classic, which is my favourite. I absolutely love it because it is that more perfect look. It is not the most natural product that instasmile have got, which, you know, the crown for that goes to Iconic, because Iconic is designed to replicate your natural teeth, so it has a gradient, which natural teeth do, whereas this one doesn't. This is just pure, well, for me it's white, and I've got A1 actually, so this is a shade down from the brightest, which, as you can see, pretty bright. So yeah, so Iconic is designed for a natural smile. Well, there's not a lot natural about my appearance, so hence why I would like classic. As you can see, easy to take out. Ugh, hate. So, now then, these 2 teeth are big, to the point where people would comment and call me rat teeth, which people are lovely, aren't they? Anyways, this side, as you can see, the brace, my teeth have moved over the years and they've gone further back at this side, which I don't like, so this corrects it. It does that, and then also this filling, right? So I had a white one in, and then after a couple of years, all of a sudden I became allergic to it. So it had to come out, and then they had to put a dark one in, which is horrific because look at it, right there. Anyways, covers it. So I'll do it again. There you go. What can I say? instasmile 100% changed my life, my confidence, the ability to have arguments on camera and not feel like I have to hide anything. Funnily enough, I certainly don't get any nasty comments on my teeth anymore. So yeah, if you're thinking about going for it, go for it. If you've got any questions, we're always here to help.